Hey.
He's gonna fucking eat you.
Can I play back that?
Why do you look at us like that?
Making this bigger. The giant meatball in the sky.
And then you just
I've seen cities go bad before.
Jacob? You have cheated on ours! Check the mic fucking erase.
Just record that.
What happened?
Record that. Do you have stream on?
Fagpot.
Fagpot. The legendary Fagpot.
Oh, here we go. The tumors are gone.
But I wish it was that easy for my dad. And directly over him.
This is like what I did to
One
Jin.
floor of the cuckoo's nest.
This is just like what I did to Jin Josh.
Fucking link. I'm looking at your screen.
Tiki Breaky!
I've seen cities go bad before.
Try to get me a download something.
Just drowning. This is a coffee machine.
Chill out.
It's a creepy It's drowning out the fucking music.
Oh, this looks like Amazons.
What the fuck? Finding Nemo. It's gone. Finally. Yeah. 2, 1, go. What happened?
They tell them that Danky Dang is coming over for dinner.
That's Steven crashing the
I
Tesla.
guess one chef.
You called 911?
This is not 911.
Yes it is.
This is Jacob.
This is 911?
Wait, actually?
Yes, sir.
Hold on.
He's right there.
I'm dead. What?
What the fuck?
How about this one? You'll know this one.
Smoking
Okay,
on
can you
that
please
strike.
invite me?
My what the fuck?
Random chicken and pickles.
What's wrong with what?
Why is every single fucking chicken sandwich?
There's 4 of them. How are there 4 of them? That's cheating.
I'm dead.
Please! Don't kill me! Please!
Watch this.
Oh! Get his ass! Oh!
You do.
Is that Aeneas?
Yeah, it's me.
Real. Shit, fucked him up.
Oh, now she'll wake up.
Now if we put band-aids on your brain.
Direct contact.
Direct contact. Fucking frisbee!
You just do a video where you do this. And then you
We're in fucking Paris. Try not to wake her up. Whoa, whoa, fucking vegan burger. It's fucking amazing. Oh shit.
fucking
Top it all off. Oh, I accidentally threw that in there somewhere.
It's
Son of fucking shrimp in my vegan burger.
It's ruined. It's fucking.
Laid up. The game's done for.
It exploded.
Well,
There was too much combined weight. The gravity was too strong.
fuck.
The combined weight of those two pregnant people.
Check on Sleepy Princess. She's dead.